What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna go ahead and mess around with the E92 here today. I finally got some parts together and I finally got some leads on what I got to do. I don't know if you guys watched my video when I first picked this thing up. It needs a little bit of love, a little bit of work. Like I said, it was missing 3 index 12 injectors that I have to swap out, because I have like what, 3 index 12 injectors and then 3 index 7 or whatever. I finally found 3 solid index 12 and I'm gonna go ahead and swap that shit out today. But I've been slowly trying to get the car right. I swapped out the battery not too long ago. So the thing's got a new battery. I'm gonna go ahead and change the gasket out here for the oil cooling filter housing bullshit. And it looks like this right here is starting to leak a little bit. It's like a common thing for this damn coolant tank to leak. Oh shit, there's index 12 for 1, 2, and 3, but 4, 5, and 6 are the ones that need to be swapped out. I totally forgot. So great, fuck my life. So it is 4, 5, and 6 are the indexes that we gotta swap out. Yeah, it should be fun, guys. First, I gotta go ahead and disconnect the negative battery to cut the fuel pump off and all that good stuff, so it doesn't spray fuel at me later when I'm trying to freaking do things. But yeah, she's just a little dirty. She's just been sitting, man. I just didn't have a lot of time, and I've been busy with a lot going on. It is summer, so like I got a lot of stuff on my plate. I haven't had a lot of time. I haven't had a chance to even clean the car yet, but we'll get to that soon. You know, good old 6-speed, baby. I just picked up a damn tablet, because you need a damn tablet to code the damn freaking injectors to the car and everything. So yeah, and also the universal MHD tuning decan connection adapter or whatever. I just definitely have to swap out some of the vacuum lines after I'm done doing all of this at some point, because like, let me see here, these vacuum lines here seem like they're kind of busted, so you're not even getting full boost and everything. I figured I gotta check this whole tile blow off valve and everything, make sure that's right, because I don't really even hear the damn turbos. But yeah, so far everything don't look too bad. Just gotta get those damn injectors swapped out, because that's what's throwing the damn MISFIRE code and all this crazy shit that's going on. Alright, so I just got the 3, 4, 5, and 6 fuel line off. Got the bracket with the E10 off. I just disconnected the injector harness. You definitely want to be careful and use like a little pick and then kind of like hold at the edge, like right here, like something like this, and then pull it up, or else you're gonna break the clip and it's gonna be pain in the ass. You definitely don't want to break the clips of one of these, because that's gonna be bad, you know what I mean? Connection might not be strong. But yeah, I just gotta get my injector puller tool now and attach on here, and I guess we'll attack number 4 first, get that out, and then we'll put in a new one. There you go. For my puller tool, I forgot where I got it from, but you know, it does the job. You see, as I thread it onto the injector, and I just kind of like just like that, it is out. Oh my god, it is dripping oil like a motherfucker. Damn, I don't know if that's bad or good, guys. Shit. Alright, here's all the junky index 7s that I just took out from 4 to 6. Index 12s are all in now. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back together, re-plug them back in, put the fuel lines and everything back on, and then I'll code the car. I guess we'll try to get it going from there. Now I just gotta put the whole cover on and everything back, the air filter and everything. Actually, I should probably put the battery back on. Start the car, make sure everything's good before. Well, actually, I shouldn't start the car. What the fuck am I doing? I gotta code everything out first. But yeah, guys, so that's that. Alright, definitely had to pick up one of these MHD universal adapter to make your life a lot easier. And I have my Android tablet here with Pro Tools. I will be using Pro Tools for this coding, but yeah, let's go ahead and plug this shit in, start the car to accessory mode, and connect Pro Tools real quick here. Alright, so I noted down my injectors are here. I'm gonna go ahead and do all 6 just in case, because I don't know if it was coded correctly or not, so I'm gonna go ahead and just recode it myself. So I'm on number 4. Now let's go ahead and do number 5. 5, 6, 9. Confirm. Alright, now's the moment of truth, guys. We're gonna go ahead and start her up. Primer. Get the car started. Oh, that started a lot better. Alright, so far so good. The light did come back on earlier. Smell something else. I don't know if it's my car or I don't know, whatever. But it is idling a little bit weird still. I think the coil packs or spark plugs has to be looked at or addressed. Maybe I gotta swap out new ones. I don't know why I didn't think of that, but that'll be the next thing we'll do is swap out all 6 new coil packs, all 6 spark plugs. Since we know all index are coded, it feels a lot better now, but the light did come back on. I don't know if it needs to burn off the fuel, get used to it or what, but man, we got some bad news. But it is like another day now, so yeah, I had to swap out some freaking coil packs. I got these here. They were a pretty good price, and it was kind of like recommended. Works great for the E92 apparently, but yeah, basically with the new index 12 in, it was still giving a little hiccup, having some misfire issue. So I went ahead and swapped out the coil packs on there and spark plugs, and guess what, guys, now it is running perfectly fine, from at least what I know. I haven't driven around far yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Got my GoPro on, and we're gonna strap that on, give you guys a little POV. So I just stopped by, check my tire pressure, because it's been a while and it's sat for a bit, so I want to make sure the tires were, like, you know, correctly even. But man, it's been a minute since I was driven a stick. She sounds and feels so good so far. I think the indexes, spark plugs, and coil packs has definitely helped it. One of the most common issues that these N54s, 335i have is those misfire, and those are the 3 things that you might want to attack first. If you don't have index 12, you definitely might want to swap them out. Then coil packs and then spark plugs. See, I assume from the previous owner, they said that they swapped the coil packs and spark plugs, but they didn't apparently. Or they only swapped the feel, because there's like it was a mixture, 3 different brands and kinds, so I was like, what the fuck. But yeah, I swapped out to all good ones, and now she feels great. Things that you got to kind of like attack and get right around the engine bed, around the engine of these N54s. Typical common stuff. It seems like the previous owner didn't know what they were doing, so I'm about to go ahead and, you know, get this baby right. You guys can kind of hear it. It shifts really good as well. I'm pretty grateful that, you know, everything shifts really nice and smooth right now. goes right into gear. No gears have any grind or weird grind. That's what I'm grateful for. And it's been like a good 30 minutes, so the transmission is definitely warmed up. If any issues, it would have definitely shown by now for sure. Overall, I'm pretty happy. People are probably wondering like, damn, you don't know about your car? Yeah, if you guys go back, it's like I'm fairly new to, I just recently got this car not too long ago, so I'm kind of like trying to get it right 100%. As you guys know, typical N54 issue. Fuck, I'm riding the clutch right there. Damn, I suck, my bad. I was riding the clutch a little bit, just going a second. Sorry guys, I'm rusty. I'll try to redo that again later. It just feels different because the last manual I drove was a Z, and them damn clutch pedals are like heavy. The disengage and engagement point is like freaking midway, so it was kind of difficult, man. But it's no excuses, I'm rusty, whatever. I'll get used to it. I'm just happy the car is right. I'm just trying to get the car right. And yeah, I have my Pro Tools right here. Let me see if I have any codes. Nope, we're good. No codes, baby. Wow, thank you God. Little Hellcat. I don't know if I can hear that it's turbo or it's full, but it's definitely like having a vacuum leak. So I know it's not getting like full boost right now. I can kind of hear it. It's like stuck and seeping air and shit. Those little vacuum lines are important, man. I might try to stop by the auto store and see if they have them right now. I don't even know the damn size. 3.5 bullshit. Fuck. I should take a piece off. That can probably be for another video or some shit. I'll show you guys next time. But I definitely know it's losing boost, and it has definitely is. I definitely know for sure. Come on, bro. It's green light. What are you doing? I don't want to go too crazy, do too hard of a pull, because I don't know how clean the engine oil is and all that stuff. I'm just trying to like burn off shit that's been sitting for a minute and carbon and shit like that, I guess. But we'll get you right, baby. We'll get you right. This car takes fucking forever though, bro. Like, what are you doing? What are you doing, bruh? Come on, bruh. What are you doing? Ooh, you guys can kind of hear that the spool a little bit down low. Let me close the window, see if I can hear anything better. You can hear a little bit of like turbo noise. I don't know if the camera will pick it up or not, but you know. Man, it sounds like a little jet plane, baby jet plane. Makes me want a single turbo so bad. I don't know if you guys can kind of hear that or not. Man, this thing pulled like end the video soon. It's enough. I don't want to like, I really want to get new oil in this motor before I do more crazy hard pulls in it, because I don't know what type of oil they had in it. I don't know what how long it's been changed. Yes, I probably should have changed it when I got in the car, but it was like so much shit going on. Well, not so much shit, like so much codes and like misfire going on. So it's just like, I was like, let me just get everything right and then we'll get all that afterwards. But now that I know the car is healthy and it's running good, no more misfire, I am ready to give it some good fluid. You heard? Oh my goodness, this spools, yo. I love the way it spools, guys. It just sounds so good. Single turbo would sound so much louder. Dude's looking at me like, yo, you got a GoPro on his head? This car, the way this whole manual transmission, this car makes it so easy and smooth to shift and drive, and it's old, man, you can't beat it. There's something about like the way the E chassis, the E builds are built. It's just like the feel of it is different. Like, I feel planted on the road still. Like, I feel confident on the road. You know what I mean? It feels like a new car feel on the road. And I've driven a lot of old cars and new cars, and especially old cars, it feels like shit nowadays. But this car it still feels planted and, you know, has like a nice balance. So it's nice. Oh look, the new Beamer. That looks like the new 440 Grand Coupe. Oh my goodness. It gets up and goes. Basically it, my E92. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. More updates gonna be coming. I gotta go ahead and address all of this little imperfection and all this shit going on. These damn headlights are freaking bullshit. Those things are all fogged up, so I'm gonna go ahead and address all of that. But the main thing was to get the car running. So now the car's running, we can go ahead and do all these other little things around it, like get the body all nice and cleaned up, corrected. I don't know what I want to do there. I mainly want to get the car healthy, solid, running before we do anything else to it. But yeah guys, stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching. The Audi just sitting right here chilling. But yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one.